Hi there, I'm Sam, and I'm going to be taking you through the process of using Withy to create structures and lanterns. Today, Hannah and I are making the owl and the pussycat. So, first things first is the design stage. You really want to take your time thinking about what you're making, so do some sketches. I've done some here. And think about what you're making and how you might build it from the very beginning. So will you start with a square shape or will you start with a circle? But before we start, there's some things that you will need that are in your pack. You will need some tape, Withy, lots of it, some cable ties, and some snips. Here's Hannah. She has two pieces of Withy that she's going to tape together, thin end to thick end, so that the Withy itself is slightly stronger. And for this, we're using masking tape. So she's taping one and then leaving a gap and taping the next one, and so on until you get to the end. Ta-da! So we need lots of these before we start making. So just as Hannah's doing here, she's laying out bamboo. You guys will be using Withy, but she's just laying it out to get her initial shape. You can rip off the gaffer with your fingers and create a flag shape around the bamboo or the Withy, as you guys will be doing, and sort of sticking the two together. And then we reinforce the gaffer with cable tie like this. Make sure it's nice and tight, and sometimes we like to double them up. So you're using your snips now, using the smooth side of the snips down, getting really nice and close to the head of the cable tie, snipping it off. So here's Hannah using some doubled up Withy to start creating those kind of natural and fluid shapes. And here I am with a circle, doing the same thing. And I guess it's good to sort of like keep stepping back and looking at what you're doing at each stage. Okay, I think we're just about ready for a time lapse. You guys are making smaller structures, stars and moons and things like that, to hang in the tree. So you'll be doing the exact same thing that we're doing, but without bamboo. And try and fill up as much sort of space as possible with your Withy, so that when it comes to tissuing, you don't have huge gaps in your structure. Another thing that can help this out is centre cane, which you do have in your packs. And it's simply a case of keep building it up, keep going until you're sort of happy with it. Okay, thanks. See you for the next video, which will be tissuing and decoration.